cone. You put it there, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Oh,
Scoop.
scoop. Hindi scoop. Mama.
What color is that?
Pink, blue,
Pink, blue?
orange, and this color pink and white. And this white, purple.
Purple, ah.
Kasi magkakaparehas siya.
Okay.
Tingnan, kaparehas sila.
Ah, yeah.
And this, pero
Chocolate flavor.
chocolate pepper.
Flavor.
Pepper. And this, blue,
Blue?
blue,
Pandan flavor.
and then flavor.
And cheese flavor.
And cheese flavor. And this,
Rocky Road.
Rocky Road.
And
this
cookies
one.
and cream.
And cookies room.
Na.
Yes.
Cookies and cream.
Wait lang po.
Ang bagal yata ng tindera. Cookies and cream. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Yes. Honey.
Thank you. Yummy cookies and cream. Yes. Pandan flavor. Where's your stand? Okay. Nalaglag ang pandan.
Yes.
Thank you. Ito?
20 pesos.
20 pesos. Ito lang.
Opo.
Ang mahal
Madami
ng
po yung
ice cream
20
nyo.
pesos.
Ah, madami
One.
yun. Ah, madami pa. Pag naubos ko to, order pa po ako.
Hindi po balik.
Bal-
Balik niyo po sa amin.
Ay, babalik ko sa inyo.
Opo.
Okay, thank you. Eto na po yung cone na binabalik. Yes.
Up. Tapos po mamaya yung white.
Yes. Okay. Magkano po?
20 pesos one.
20 pesos one.
Opo.